Here's it before we get started. That's what it looks like, a bit rough. So what I've done, I've given it a good old scrub down with some very fine glass paper and kept it dry. I haven't wetted it. Don't know if that's good or bad, but we'll soon see how it comes out. Then I've done a bit of a degreasant across the whole wheel, and this is a trial wheel, so I haven't done these before, even though I've seen videos on them. I'm going to see how it goes. This is a 20-inch Range Rover tyre, my 205 2005 4.2 V8 on the project, so we'll see how this goes. Masked all around the wheel, done the valve, and I've gone behind there as much as I can so we can get a bit of paint behind there, but not much, obviously, just enough to make it look good. And then I'm using alloy wheel paint. Nothing particularly special about it. Metallic silver. We'll give it a good shake, 2-3 minute shake, and I'm going to give it a light spray. Once 6 inches away, different angles, only a little bit, and that'll be the first coat, so a very light coat, just so it starts sticking to the second coat. I'm going to do another third coat now, very briefly. Here again, very light layers. Let it dry for 10 minutes and then start again. So the last coat done on. Let's have a quick look. It's a little bit better. So what I'm going to do now is just speed up a bit, process up a bit, and going to give it a little blast with this. Not too close, at a distance, just help dry it down a bit quicker so we can get the lacquer on in the next hour. You don't want to get it too close, obviously it gets too hot, but you just want to warm it up, sort of like a baking process, get it dried quickly. One is the lacquer, I'm using this one, clear coat, pro finish, but we'll see how it works. Never used it before, let's have a look at it. See how it goes on, one coat, we'll have another look at it. And there's the final wheel, sprayed, lacquered, new.